grappled with the challenge of audio routing on your Windows device? Ever wished for a seamless way to route audio streams between different software or devices? Well, enter Virtual Audio Cable, or VAC, a software that can make these wishes a reality. VAC creates virtual cables, which act as conduits between applications, allowing you to configure these cables to route audio streams precisely where you want them. Consider the following scenario. You're an audio engineer working on a complex project, and you need to record streaming audio or mix audio streams. That's where VAC comes into play. It's a tool that's as versatile as it is powerful, and today we're going to walk you through how to use it. First things first, install the Virtual Audio Cable software on your Windows device. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts on your screen. Once you've installed the software, you'll see a control panel with various settings. The control panel is where you configure the virtual cables. You can adjust the cable count and buffer size according to your needs. For example, if you're working on a project that requires multiple audio streams, increase the cable count. And if you're working with high-quality audio files, consider increasing the buffer size. Now, to route an audio stream, open the application producing the audio, go to its settings and select the correct VAC line as the audio output. Then, open the application where you want the audio to be routed. In its settings, select the same VAC line as the audio input. Remember, the key to successful audio routing is to ensure that the same VAC line is selected as the output in the producing application and the input in the receiving application. But what about the latency introduced by the software? Well, generally, the latency is minimal and should not significantly affect your audio routing. However, if you're working on a project where even the slightest latency is unacceptable, consider adjusting the buffer size. A smaller buffer size will reduce latency but may also affect audio quality. Speaking of audio quality, one of the advantages of using VAC is that it generally maintains high audio quality. So whether you're recording a podcast or mixing music for a live performance, you can trust VAC to deliver top-notch audio quality. Now, let's summarize the main points. Virtual Audio Cable, or VAC, is a software that allows you to route audio streams between different software or devices. It creates virtual cables which you can configure using the control panel. The control panel allows you to adjust settings like cable count and buffer size. To route an audio stream, ensure that the same VAC line is selected as the output in the producing application and the input in the receiving application. Remember, VAC introduces some latency, but it's generally minimal and adjustable. And while there are alternatives to VAC, such as VB Audio Virtual Cable and Voice Meter, VAC stands out for maintaining high audio quality. So, if you're in a scenario where precise audio routing is required, such as in streaming setups or audio production, give Virtual Audio Cable a try. It's a tool that offers sophistication and precision, and it's one that could make all the difference in your audio routing needs.